morning. Okay, you all, I'm going to be in this kitchen because I need to clean that refrigerator out so I can go grocery shopping. Yes, because I have to. And I also need to make a list. I think I'm going to try the Walmart grocery delivery. I figure out what I need and stuff. Because I also need to get in my cabinets and see about that situation. But we did go to Walmart last night. As you can see, I got some like potatoes and little stuff that I knew that we needed. I also got some snacks for the kids and lunch today because they don't have school today to say Martin Luther King's Day. So how do you make sure the kids has food, you know, for today? And then I'm going to make a grocery list, do a Walmart delivery, and you want to get on a budget too on groceries. So I need to figure out what that is and what that's gonna look like. And yeah, so I'm gonna put you all up here. We're going to start some dishes. I did get new plates from the Dollar Tree. If you want new plates, go to the Dollar Tree. Sometimes you can actually find name brand, like that clothes, like White Joy dishes and stuffed out at the Dollar Tree. I got some dishes from there that was White Joy. Damn ain't White Joy, but I have got dishes that was her brand. So we are going to go and get this done. Oh, the reason why I bought plates because David broke the plates that I had. And yes, I do use paper plates, but when I run out of paper plates, I'm using this regular plates. Okay, so I do use paper plates, but when I don't have paper plates, I use glass plates. So, that being said, let's start some dishes, and then let's put this stuff away, and get the kitchen clean. Get the refrigerator clean. Some chips. Got some more chips. You are actually going to put these in baggies because, yeah, I got Theodore a shirt because Zoe got a shirt. So Theodore wanted a shirt too, so that was his shirt. And we had one of Zoe's friends with us, so she got a shirt too. Oh, and Zoe got the matching shirts. They got this shirt, Stranger Things shirts. And then, of course, Zoe got this. And she don't drink these often anymore. She probably drinks once a week, if that. And this whole can lasts the whole day. She just drinks on it the whole day. And yes, I know, I hear my washer. I know. Hopefully here soon we can replace it. It's working, so that's all it matters. And then Blackwood wants to make a table using like fire trucks, like Chevrolet fire trucks and stuff. So that's the reason why he bought this. And then I think he's gonna give us these to Theo and keep this one. So yeah, I don't know, you all. It makes him happy, so I'm okay with it. He don't complain about my hobbies that I do. So. And then I got cookies. I'm gonna probably put these in bags too, so they won't go to waste. Because you all, I've been doing that here lately because a lot of stuff has been going to waste, and I'm tired of it. I got some bananas. And you will walk the Walmart I normally go to. We was in a whole different county. The Walmart I normally go to don't have pink lemonade. They just have the regular lemonade. I mean, they do the name brand, but we ain't about that life, okay? We like the cheap stuff from here. So, great value it is. I mean, not everything, because some stuff is disgusting, like stuff like that using mustard. Nastiest stuff I have ever ate. And so we needed some shoelaces, because David chewed whole shoelaces up. It's all about the puppy life over here, okay? And yes, he does get in trouble when he chews stuff up. You have to, because if not, he ain't gonna learn. But she got new shoelaces. And then we got some potatoes. Because potatoes, you can make 10,000 things with potatoes. Potatoes is a must. Okay? You can make French fries. You can make fried potatoes. You can make potato ranch or cheese. You can make baked potatoes. I mean, I can go on and go on with potatoes, okay? You can just have a whole meal with potatoes. So, potatoes is a must. Okay? That's a must. And then I got trash here. I need to go away. Oh, the other day we went to go eat at Aldi's, and Aldi's is so expensive, you all, but now they have this, like, meats in 3, and it's only like $7.98, so it's $8, so it's not bad. And what you get in this, you get the chicken sandwich, or the ham and cheese, like, I can't think of it, but it's like the beef sandwich, whatever it's called. And then you get like a peach cobbler, and then you get 2 cheese sticks and fries, and that's a really good deal, and it's better doing it. So I'm gonna go with that. These need to go in the vehicle. I don't know about you all, but every time we go out to eat, I try to keep these in the vehicle, because you never know. You never know when a kid needs to blow their nose, or you need a napkin for something. You need to go pee real bad and you need to pull over to the side of the road. You guys a tissue to wipe with, okay? So you never know. And let me go see what these kids are going on about. Throw these sauces away because we don't use them. Now if they was ketchup sauces, oh wait, these are ketchup. So I'm actually going to keep these ketchup sauces because we use ketchup. Now if it's like the other kind of sauce, then you can throw it away. But yes, we will be keeping the ketchup sauce because we use ketchup, you know what I'm saying? So these are getting kept. So there's that. So now let's get some baggies and put, I'm going to throw this away real quick. Throw this away. I'm gonna go salt some dishes so we can multitask, because I need to learn how to do that. This is the little thing that I've been heating up to smash my candles down so get them flat so I can start another candle. I'm on my third candle, you all. So, and thank you so much for buying these. I'm gonna have Brad put them on when he gets time. But I'm really thinking about taking my doors off. I'm keeping the doors, and if I don't like them, I can put them back on. But I feel like if I take them off, I will keep this more organized, you know. So I'm gonna be taking them off. Not like real soon, but they will be going off. And Brad wants to take this paint off so it can just be the wall wood, match wood. You done with it? Okay. To match.
What kind of juice?
Okay. To match the countertops. So that's what we're gonna do with that. We will be taking the paint off, not painting the cabinets. I know that probably sounds crazy to some of you all, but
Mommy,
you gotta trust the process.
He painted this way on the bills.
We like the wood.
Why is that in the freezer?
So that's what. Oh, and Theodore got this because that's all we got. Oh, honey.
Sit my butt. Let's hurt me. I fed that mommy too.
Yeah, hopefully I get a honey too.
What hurt me? Is it Towie?
Yeah, it's Callie.
Oh, Towie. That's so hard. Happy. Oh.
We went to a go-karts yesterday in London. That's where we went yesterday. In London, Kentucky. They have this place. It's called the Palace. And that's where we did go-karts. That's what we done.
Mommy, Miss Bussy was at the go-karts too.
Miss Bussy was at the go-karts too?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was.
I want to know what go-karts are in store there.
Yeah.
The store there.
So the weekends that Brad don't work, we do try to do something as a family. At least a day. We try anyway, and it's only 10 o'clock. It's only 10 o'clock, y'all. I'm hoping this video goes out today. I'm ready. It might be late tonight. I need to get back on my schedule, you all. I need to get back on the schedule, stay on the schedule. And we do have a new faucet thingy, but I didn't put it on that. We have a whole new sink, but we ain't gonna put that on until spring because I don't know if it freezes, if it will mess the whole thing up. I don't know. We'll figure that out next year, okay? That's what I use, and I buy them from Amazon because it's easier. Okay, I will link them down below. It's through these clothes. Do 2 handfuls. I probably could do another handful.
Mommy, I want juice and a washable.
I gave you juice and I don't have no washable.
No, it's a tarp.
Oh, the other washable?
Yeah, 6. It's 6. I said 6. I said 6.
You what? You could make these homemade so much cheaper than buying them. But
I think 6.
if you have a 4-year-old trying to keep quiet at Walmart, do you, honey? I'm not judging you. I do the same thing. Sometimes I don't let him eat it in the buggy, okay? But I do pay for it though. I do pay for it. It's an empty package when it gets to the thing. And I'm not judging nobody.
I told you. I got the same. I told you.
About that. You gotta do you. Gotta do you. If that's the only way, if you got a hungry 4-year-old, hungry 3-year-old,
chips?
I'm putting on Maggie so they won't go bad.
Oh, me?
Yeah, for you. Because you leave the whole bag out and then the whole bag of chips get wasted. So, Mommy's doing this.
Yeah.
It's so much easier.
Mommy, I want this too.
You stand. Go.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So I'm going to turn you all off and then turn you all back on when I do these chips because I don't have music right now. I'm going to probably buy the music back because we got to buy music. I had tried the free music on YouTube, like on YouTube Studio, but every time I do that, it say that I'm copyrighting and then I have to delete the video because you get so many shots on your YouTube video and then YouTube can take away your YouTube channel. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go back starting hanging for YouTube music tomorrow. So hopefully when I do stuff like this, I can just speed it up and put music on it for you all. Because who wants to sit here and watch? Somebody put chips in a baggie for 30 minutes. I know. But I'll be back. So I got back a great value cheese, whatever these things are called, cheese puffs. Great value cheese puffs. So Theodore had a bag. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You probably could get more if you did do 2 and 4s, but I did 3 and some and 2 and some. So I'm gonna go put these up, and I've noticed they actually get eaten like this. This is my second time doing it, so, and they ain't getting wasted, okay? They ain't leaving the bags out and wasting them. So this is how we are doing it these days. Alright, let's do this one. We won't get as many out of this one because it's not as big, but we will still get some.
Who's that?
What is what? Them are Daddy's. You gotta ask Daddy if you can open them.
Oh, I don't like them.
You don't want them. I don't think so. They ain't animals.
Oh, wait, I want that Walmart with the 2 X's.
Yeah.
I want to get that. Well, Zoe, you want me?
Yeah.
I'll track.
Will you stop?
I'll track. I love you, Bobby.
Love you. And we got a David down below me, standing down below, he's eating the ones that I dropped in the floor. He's being my vacuum cleaner right now.
And Alina. Mommy, but you open my Cheetos.
Go get them.
Alright. That my Cheetos. All these things.
Yeah.
What? You got dirty on my Cheetos.
I know. And with that bag, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of chips. So, not too bad. Not too bad at all. So, let's go put these up and let's do some cookies. I'm going to put at least normally I do homemade cookies too, but I didn't want to make none, so this is the best next thing, okay? Next best thing. Let's do 4 cookies in a bag. Yeah, let's do 4. And if they want more, they can always get more, right? And these cookies ain't gonna last long. I just tell ya. They ain't going to last long. So we should get 6 bags. I missed a cookie somehow. Or they cheated me out of cookie. They cheated me out of cookie war. They gave me 7 cookies instead of 8 cookies. I should call and complain. No, I'm not that kind of person. Not that kind of person. Oh. That. Got chips, got cookies, and they got yogurt in the refrigerator. So, I'll put this up. We got 6 bags here. Yeah, 6 bags. Throw this away. refrigerator is looking like. Here's this side. As you can see, we're gonna be.
It's really big out
And then
there.
there's that. As you can see, let's open this side. And you all, I know I should not be putting this in here. I know that. And yeah. Here's this side. And then here's this side. Okay, so and then here's this, and I need to take this off and wash it. Okay, so let's go and clean it. I'm gonna get Theodore yogurt and then clean this.
What?
So let's clean this out first. That can trim. That's good to know that I have. You know what? I am throwing this sucker away because it is disgusting. It's nasty, okay? It's nasty. So it's going trash. Okay, so. Got my little homemade wine that I need to drink. I still got a bottle up there too. I need to drink that. I might actually drink that this time. That needs to be drunk. So, and yes, we do drink alcohol. We don't drink it every day. I'm just going to go on and say that we are not alcoholics. You might see alcohol that you seen last time I cleaned this out. Because we just don't do it. I did buy a case for myself last night while I was at Walmart. So, yeah, we do drink alcohol. And I know people's going to be, that's all fishing. You're like, well, it'd be okay. I'm not going to sit here and say I don't drink alcohol, because I do. And I'm sorry if you have a problem with that. But you won't see us every day buying a case of alcohol. You will not see us do that. You will not see us every week buying a case of alcohol. Won't be seeing that either. Because while alcohol is expensive, you know what? I know I should take these off and wash them. I just don't have time right now to do that. So I really want to get some of this house clean today. And I really just need to get this somewhat clean so I can put groceries in it. Okay. But I promise the next go around I will take everything out and wash it. Okay? I promise I will. We'll see. Okay. My homemade caramel that they will be eating today with them apples, because I need them apples gone because they get them bad. You know, I actually have some of this left, so I will be using this in a meal. And get some more garlic, and I need to put this on my grocery list, and I think this is full, so that'd be fine. Garlic and this stuff. Why is it dark in here? I don't know, but that's empty. Soy sauce, so I need to add more soy sauce to it. I'm just gonna put that right there so I know that I need to add on my list. Okay, so this is that peach cardboard thing I was telling you about, that all these I don't know when this was bought. We got this last year for something. Okay. I'm gonna go and throw this away. We need some more barbecue sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Now we got Worcestershire sauce, but we do need barbecue sauce. Milk. Oh, we don't need ketchup. We got ketchup. Oh, I said that. That was barbecue sauce. That's all. My cheese and everything went. Okay, while that is doing its deal, doing whatever, I'm going to put, not this because we have some of this. I'm going to put chili sauce, this, and barbecue sauce on my grocery list. If I can find my phone. Actually, I'm just going to add it to my Walmart list. So I'll be back. So I added that to the list. Added it to the list. And yes, I probably should be taking everything out of the refrigerator, but it'd be fine. It's no big deal. Actually, it probably is, but it'd be fine. Everything will be fine. I promise. I promise. I promise. Like this right here needs to be sold. Like this does. It needs to be in soapy water. Because that sauce ain't coming off.
Hey, Mommy. I want water.
It's right here, baby.
Why soap doesn't look inside that thing?
What?
In the refrigerator.
I'm cleaning it.
Those things in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
What is this?
Okay. Now let's put everything back where it belongs. That looks better than what it was. That's all it matters. That's Timu. Well, I think we'll delete Timu again. Do believe I'm going to. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nice doing business with you.
I want cheese. Cheetos. Not cheese. I like Cheetos. I want cookies with potatoes. Cookies with potato, Mama.
Yeah.
Please.
What?
Cookies with potato.
Okay, go.
I want it, Mama. I like you, Mommy.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yep, what Daddy is doing. It's slowly Daddy. Zoe and Daddy. Not me. And not me. Zoe and Daddy. They were Zoe and Daddy. Not me.
So, Dio, I love you. Go.
And Daddy and Zoe.
Yeah, I love Daddy and Zoe too.
And you are you?
Yeah, I love me. Go in now. Okay. That'll be fine. Okie dokie. It's time to take everything out of the refrigerator now. The fun part. Not, but the fun part. Okay, let's do it. Let's do this. This was from last night's supper. So we went to Mexican. This is my homemade yogurt that went bad because, you all, it was really good, but I was the only one that ate it, so. My kids have to be like in a mood for yogurt. Okay, that's taco soup that I need to put in a bowl. Let's just charge. And this was, I was gonna make chicken broth and ham soup and stuff, but didn't happen, and that's totally fine. Totally fine, not a big deal. Carrots, I thought I had carrots. See, it's a good thing I'm going to taste because my homemade wine that I need to drink needs to drink. I'll put that there so I can't drink that. This is just a juice straw, if y'all. A skitty sauce. I'm also just gonna go on and put some hot water in the sink for soap and put dirty dishes in now. Another chicken that I was gonna do. And spaghetti sauce. We can make a whole spaghetti with this if it's not bad. Nope, not bad. Okay. That's good. Sour cream, I need to put that on my grocery list. I don't know about you all, but we eat a lot of sour cream. This, I'm going to throw away. Well, this is horrible, but these rolls are from Thanksgiving. This was from last week, boiled eggs. They can finish it out. Had to put some more lunch meat in my grocery list. That is all chash. can go trash, and this can go trash. Well, I'll put this in here and stuff. Some will eat it. Yeah, that went bad. I need to put some eggs. Oh my gosh, I put eggs has went down. This was only $9.99 instead of $20 like it was. I got a couple eggs left that I need to. I'll probably make boiled eggs with today, and then okay, let's see how much butter I have. Will it last? Yeah, that shall be fine until I do another grocery haul. Okay, this can go trash. This needs to be hooked up and washed. It has chicken nuggets in it. These are some more rolls. This is the reason why I want to make my rolls and then freeze them and then make them while we need them, because of this right here. Because of that. And this is what I bought last night. You will already like the strawberry ones. The strawberry ones are amazing. They're really good. Now the lemonade in that, don't buy it. Don't waste my money. It's disgusting. Still good. I might try to put these right here. Okay, so juice. We got 2 juices left, so I need to put some juice in. We'll go through this. I did buy some yogurt last night. Brought 2 boxes because the kids are home today. They ain't gonna eat the whole 2 boxes, but while I was over there, I just went on and grabbed it. I need to use this before it goes bad. And got some cheeses, I think. Another yogurt. And let me see, now these are sour. What is this month? So these ain't expired with, so that's a plus side. These expired in March, so these will be gone by then. Okay. Now, let's spray everything down. Everything down. Spray it all down, you all. Spray it all down. And I promise I will be taking this out and cleaning it. I'm just like doing that today. Not today. I also think that I do the freezer. I don't know if I'm going to. I need to do the deep freezer too. Okay. Do I want to do this? I got to do this. So I got to do it. You already didn't put this on my grocery list. Like I was supposed to. If I don't have it in my hand while I do it, it's not going to get done. You know what I mean? But would not, because I would get sidetracked, and I won't put it on now. So it's getting put on now. Okay.
Mom, let me add what? Water. I want water. That's over here. You said you right. She always be down the top here up here. You know? With this out. And top it up. You know what to do. Maybe you there. Maybe right there.
Yes, I know I need to take these out again. But you know, it's better than what it was, and I will do it the next time. Because you want, that's what, it'd be okay, okay? It's not, probably is a big deal, but it'd be fine, I promise. It'll be okay. That's why. Juice to my list. I will do that because that's a every week situation that I gotta add juice to. You know what I mean? I should have bought the big pack of this. I don't know why I didn't. It didn't click with me to buy the big pack, you know, but so I have 2 jars of spaghetti sauce that I need to use like here soon. So I might actually be making spaghetti tonight so we can use this up. Because it's, if you put the sauces together, it's 1 jar. So that should be enough for that. And then these are boiled eggs. Split them on. And then, yeah, everything else I'm gonna, like, oh, these eggs. Let me put these eggs up. And now we'll put it all empty. At least they ain't no trash or nothing like that. This is what she is looking like. And yes, I know I'm gonna take these out. I promise next time I clean it out, I will take them out. But this is side, it looks like this. This side looks like this. And this side looks like this. And I also have this that I need to put in the refrigerator right here. So I'm gonna go on and do. So, anyway, this right here will last me a whole month. Okay, if not longer. So, yeah. So this is what she is looking like. Yep. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna end the video here. Because I want to get some more stuff done, and I'm really hoping this video goes out today. If it don't, it's not a big deal. It can go out on Tuesday. Yeah, today's Monday. But I think I'm gonna eat something because I'm hungry, and I gotta eat before I get sick. Anywho, I hope you all clean your refrigerator out too. If yours is like mine, it's a big trash can, and it shouldn't be like that. I'm really gonna try to clean it out at least once a week when I do grocery hauls. So next week I will clean it out, and I would pull everything out and let it sit and soak in the tub. But now I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna go and put my clothes in the shower and start some more laundry, and then start cleaning. Actually, I'm gonna edit this video, then start cleaning. But you all, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.